In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect multiple Notion databases to create a master database. This process will make it easier for you to organize and view your data in one central location. Let's dive into the steps you'll need to follow to achieve this. First, you'll want to open a new or existing page in Notion where you intend to place your dashboard. This space will act as your central hub for all linked database views. To get started with linking a database, type the / followed by linked database. You'll see Notion provide you with an option. Go ahead and select this to begin creating your linked view. Next, a panel will appear on your screen. This is where you'll select the source database that you want to link. You might have several databases or just a few, but the goal here is to ensure that each one is accessible from your new dashboard. In the panel, you'll be able to search through your existing databases. Take a moment to find the one you want to link. Once you've located it, just click on it. It's as simple as that. Now you're starting to build a more interconnected and efficient workspace. Once you've got your linked database set up, the next step is to customize it to your needs. Click on the three-dot menu, often referred to as the More Options menu, located on your newly linked database. This feature is incredibly powerful. It allows you to filter, sort, and group the data entries. While you're in the menu, consider how you want to structure your data. You can filter out entries that aren't relevant, sort them based on priority, or group them together by categories that make the most sense for your workflow. This customization process helps you focus on the specific information you need and ensures you're not overwhelmed by unnecessary data. By following these steps, you'll have linked multiple databases into one streamlined view that's both comprehensive and tailored to your needs. In doing so, you've taken a significant step towards more efficient data management within Notion, allowing for better insights and quicker access to pertinent information. That's pretty much all there is to it. This approach not only makes your data more accessible, but also helps in maintaining a cleaner, more organized digital workspace. I hope this tutorial has been helpful. If you have any questions or run into issues, feel free to revisit this tutorial or reach out to the Notion support community. Thank you for watching and enjoy your newly organized master database.